is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. If you are the type that find it difficult to navigate on the app as a result of language barrier, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply use Taobao Chinese shopping app in English language. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, I do feature, you want to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's find out. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply use Taobao app in English language. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app. I want to believe that for everyone that have Taobao shopping app on their phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you must have your Alipay app successfully installed on your phone. So we are going to use Alipay app in order to translate into English language right here. So having opened up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you update your Alipay into the latest version. After you have successfully updated your Alipay into the latest version, you are going to see a translation icon that is going to be shown on your Alipay. But in some cases, if the translation icon is not showing on your Alipay, what you need to do is to simply click on your me right here. Having clicked on me, it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on general. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on translation to. Then it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to make sure you enable this particular toggle button right here. Make sure this button here is enabled. Once you enable it, you are going to see your translate icon on your Alipay translation on your Alipay home screen right here. So I'm going to simply go back now, go back and go back to the home page on Alipay. Next thing we want to do is to come to the top right there and we make sure we make use of search app right there. So what we need to do is to simply click on that and we type in Taobao. Then hit on search. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on Taobao right here, the first result. So click on that. Then it's going to open up like this. Then you can simply scroll down right here. So you can see everything here is in Chinese language. So how do we simply translate into English language? What you need to do is to simply click on translate from the icon right here. So click on translate. And in a few seconds, you can see now everything has been fully translated into English language. And one very good thing about this is that it does not affect your translation when you scroll down or you scroll up. You still maintain everything right here in English language. It's that simple. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products right here. And one very more good thing right here is that you can simply make your purchase directly from this particular Alipay section right here. You can come down below right here and click on here to visit your profile in Taobao. Then all your profile is going to be shown right here. Then you have your receiving address section right here to add your address. Once you add an address, then you can simply transact on this particular app in English language. You can see. Then from here, we can simply go back to the home page right here and scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more different type of product is going to load up. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply use your Taobao app in English language. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial about how best to use your Taobao shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.